Hey guys, it's Eric RPG and I'm playing Choujin Sentai Jetman. And people don't know about this. It's actually a Super Sentai series, as you can see by the copy right there, TVSI 1981 toy. And made by Angel, which is a subsidiary of Bandai, and Majin did the translation. And here's the intro, Attract Mode. So they're using vehicles. Jet Garuda, Jet Icarus. Great Icarus. We only use Great Icarus in the robot fights. But, without further ado, there is a battle mode, but you can pick two different difficulties. But if you hold A and B and press start, you can play hard and very hard, but we're not going to do that. You can pick any level you want out of the 5 levels here, and then we'll play the final level. But we're going to do these in order. You can pick one of the 5 Rangers: Blue Swallow, Red Hawk, White Swan, Black Condor, Yellow Owl. So blue and white both use guns. Red Hawk and Black Condor both use swords. This person used fists, and they all have different health. But these guys have less health, but they can shoot. And this person's kind of like a medium. But we're gonna start with them and go in order. You can see you can punch. You can kick, which has a different arc, so use it whenever you need to. Unfortunately, it's not stronger. But if you're playing as one of the gun-toting ones, it's as strong as a punch. Kill the bad guys. Punch, punch. Oh, also, what's weird in this game is the start button actually uses your special attack, which I'll use soon. Basically, they just fly and kill everything. You can only use it as long as you have a pickup, but see? There's usually another one waiting for you. Pow! I thought I could do a quicker combo. Well, I have to duck for that one. Took a hit. Get you. Spiders aren't exactly fun. Oh yeah, you have to punch out walls sometimes. We're already at the end of the level. There's a giant monster we have to fight. Yeah, there's no boss fight and then a giant monster boss fight version. We just fight the thing. And it's a mirror. Here's a transformation sequence. Well, we saw it in the intro, but it doesn't matter. You're gonna be skipping them a lot. I'll just show you the first one. So it's Rock'em Sock'em Robots. You're gonna block attacks. Oh, see the power meter that's building up? I'm waiting until it gets maxed out. Oh, I screwed up. I'm usually better at this. Jumping doesn't really seem to do it all that much, so just don't do it. I'm just gonna be more aggressive. See, in the final boss, you have to be a lot more defensive, so that's probably why I got my butt kicked. He doesn't let you be aggressive. You kind of have to be defensive. And, well, there's the password for the level. So now we're going to Area B. I'm gonna play as Black Condor. Yeah, there's a 6-character slot, but unfortunately you can't play as that character. Because there were only 5 of them. Now, apparently in the show, there was supposed to be a 6th character, but they died. The very first episode, even. It's kind of like the 5th episode of Voltron. Or rather, Go Line. Well, in Voltron, Sven supposedly is too injured, but he actually died. Sword it! Everybody gets the kick. No. Oh, a health pickup. Ooh. Alright. I'm gonna die if I'm not careful. Alright. Made it to the end of the level. Now we gotta kill the boss. Who is a cannon. Oh wait, that's a camera. Never mind. Although it does shoot things out of it, so I guess it kinda is. We don't need to watch this crap anymore. Oh, I forgot he has 3 punches. Yeah, it's kind of hard to predict his attack. takes care of that. Sometimes he'll do that attack instead. That's kind of cool. Area B clear. Alright, now we gotta do the blue swallow. Alright. Excuse me. You can expect blue's the lead, or red's the leader. So we get to shoot. It takes longer, but safety from distance. Plus, we can still kick if we need to. And I really screwed that one up. Really think about it, it's kind of a rip-off of Gatchaman, but without the giant robots. That's what Gatchaman is. Even though Gatchaman is probably another inspiration by another tokusatsu. I need more health. Only get 6 here. Oh boy. Should probably kick more. They would probably drop more health power-ups if I went down there. I think that one did, but it was too off-screen. Oh, maybe not. They do chase you. I just need to get to the end of the level. Oh, there we go. More health. Oh. My last test plays this game, they barely dropped anything. We're at the end of the level. And it's a bus. Yeah. Alrighty. Oh, I never seen him do that before. Oh, he did it again. That's cool. Maybe it's based on the amount of health you have left. It's like, you did a good job, now see a cool animation. Alright, time to go to Area D. We're gonna go with Red Hawk. And yeah, I'll probably use him for the final level, because he has 8 health. Oh, then again, so does Black. thing on top there, but can't go up there. Oh, I already picked one up. Too bad you can't stock them. Just saving it for when I'm overwhelmed. Hasn't happened yet. Or that happens. And I'm already at the end of the level. Woo! That was an easy level. And it's a armadillo bug thing. No, it's armadillo. With a thing. A mirror, I guess. Alrighty. This boss is actually kind of tough. Gotcha! Yeah, it is based on your health. Otherwise, it's a puny little emblem fire coming from the chest. Area D clear. Area E. I got a white swan now. Yeah, they're called white swan, but they have pink. Gotta watch out for those exploding things. Gotta be careful. This place is the most dangerous. Ooh, a big health piece. Alrighty. Having a gun here actually helps, because they're sealing things. Cheap shot. Alright, there we go. More. Gotcha! Hey, be careful here. Near the end of the level. Let's see who the boss is this time. It's an elephant. Weirdness. Sorry about that. I just scratched myself. Meh. This boss is actually harder than some of the other ones. Ah, I almost had him too. Alright. Gotcha. Area E is clear. There's your password. Now we're at the final level. Oh boy, it's a Death Star. It's even called the last area. So yeah, we're going with Red Hawk again. Because he's the leader, he deserves it. It's a pretty simple game. Let's see, if the music seems familiar to you, it's because Natsume made this game. Well, it says Angel, but Natsume lended their assets. Especially the music, it should seem familiar to you if you're familiar with a lot of NES Natsume games. I've already lost 3 health, that's just not good. Oh well. Let's see, which way should I go? I could blow those all away, but they never drop anything, so why bother? How's that? But I really needed that. Alrighty. Nearing the end of the level. And we're at the end finally. Let's kill this boss. And what does he look like? He's not the big bad of the series, but he was probably one of the more important ones. And yes, he is pretty tough. Ooh, new final boss music. I told you, you can't really get into the fight with him like that. I'm gonna lose here. I couldn't even get my attack in. Use the wrong button there. I'm saving. Save stating. Oh yeah, if you die here, you have to replay the entire level again. I'm pretty just biding time. And he's down. Here's the ending of the game. I hope you enjoyed it. Followed by the credits. Super laser power from chest. Yeah, that shot looks familiar to you, seeing the Power Rangers film, haven't you? Earth is saved, for now, right? Staff. Program. Hirohisa Oda. Character design. Norihide Mizoguchi. Scroll design. Tomoko Okamoto. Music and sound effects, Karaoke Iwatsuki. Or Iwatsuki, I don't know. Special thanks to Ishiyan, Kotobuki, Taro-san, TNY, Shinchan, Sexy Tom, RZ, and Takenoko 2-Bit NY Kawaii, John Ryu, Sunny Sasaki, Ako-chan, Takara, Sama, Suzy Suzuki, Udi Ushu Nomiya, Takuyu Morishita, Takatashi Takashia, Yuno Chin, and Satoru Tanoe. Copyright of Angel. There's credits. See, Angel is short for Angel Time, by the way. See, what do I do here? Here's where you're supposed to learn. See, title A being start. But with that, this is another Grinderplay that's complete, and I don't know what I'll do next time, but it's probably going to be something that's more familiar to you all. But until then, bye-bye.